RECARO Young Profi Plus. Only the correctly installed child safety seat offers optimum protection for the little passenger. The mounting of RECARO Young Profi Plus on an Isofix basis is very simple. Make sure that it audibly snaps into place. Close the lock with an audible clicking sound. The belts must be tightened. Important: pull out the Isofix connectors. Press together the yellow buttons for this purpose. Please make sure that the open side surface of the insertion aid is facing upwards. Attention! The red markings on the release knobs may no longer be visible. The outrigger has to bear on the vehicle floor, and the lower part of the outrigger has to snap into place. Check whether the shell fully snapped into place at the back and at the front by lifting. Attention! The bracket has to be in an upright position during transport in the vehicle. Now the Young Profi Plus is correctly installed.